everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress. So in order to install a WordPress, you need to get into the Cpanel admin. Let me just get into that. Here I can see what all the products I have. So I just want to install a WordPress for this web hosting. So travellikebirds.com, manage. So then you can able to see your application here. Just here get into the Cpanel. So here I can see some file manager, disk usage. So scroll down. If you scroll down, you can see a web applications, featured applications, web calendar, WordPress, PHPB, MediaWiki, Joomla, Magento, Drupal. So these are the applications you can install for your website. Now let me try to install a WordPress. Install this application. So here you need to give the administrator username and administrator password as per your wish. Let me just website administrator email also you can give. Done. So I have installed my WordPress. So if you want to open the website, see now I can see. So this is once I install a WordPress, I can see a WordPress like this. So if you want to enter into the WordPress dashboard, WP hyphen, then use the username and password which we have created. So now I have successfully installed the WordPress and I have entered the dashboard by entering my username and password. Right. This is how you install a WordPress to any website. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please